remember the taste of my love? Will your eyes still smile from your cheeks? And darling, I will be loving you till we're 17. 'Cause honey, your heart is simple as hard as 23. And I'm thinking about how people fall in love in mysterious ways. Maybe just a touch of a hand. But me, I fall in love with you every single day. And I just wanna tell you I am. So honey, now, come on. Take me into your loving arms. Kiss me under the light of 1,000 stars. Oh, darling, place your head on my beating heart. You can dig it loud, loud. Or maybe we found love right where we are. Come on, let's go down. When my hands on my gun and my memory fades. Okay, let's take it. Dance with me. And the cramps don't remember your name. When my hands don't play the strings the same way. I believe this will not be the same. 'Cause honey, your soul could never grow old, it's evergreen. And baby, your smiles forever in my mighty memory. And I'm thinking about how people fall in love in mysterious ways. Maybe it's all part of a plan. Woo. But I just keep on making the same mistakes, hoping that you'll understand. But baby, now, sing along with us. Take me into your loving arms. Kiss me under the light of 1,000 stars. Oh, darling, I love you. Place your head on my maybe we found love right where we are. Maybe we found love right where we are. We found love right where we are.
Di niyo naman po kami sinabayan. Hindi ba kayo naniniwala sa forever? Parang di naman. Or destiny. Naniniwala ba kayo sa destiny? So,
Naniniwala kayo sa Destiny?
destiny dyan.
Oh, bakit? Bakit? Grabe siya mga tao eh. Talaga. Kiss na. Kiss.
Kit agad?
Joke lang!
Napulol ako doon na.
Ay,
Nagulat
joke.
ako ikaw. Chick.
Si Chick daw, si Chick. Si Chick. Chick.
Abangan
Sige
naman
na.
natin sa Dolce Amore.
Sabi-
Ha? Ikaw na lang na, mommy. Siya.
Nakis ko na si Mami kanina eh. Oo,
Ang
nakis ko na.
swerte mo,
Oh,
ha?
ito ginawa ko sa... Ngayon, pakis mo. That's all na.
Bata pa ako, hindi pa rin. You're so sweaty.
Well, yeah. O nga pala, dahil po nanonood kayo at todo suporta kayo. Ulitin ko. Dahil todo
Ano
suporta po kayo at Dolce Amore, may mga bago po kaming t-shirt para kayo niyo. Ito mga po mga t-shirt.
Hindi yan, ang t-shirt yan ang premyo ko.
Ay, ba yung premium mo?
Kasi meron akong pag-game sa inyo. Kung nanood talaga kayo ng Dolce Amore, kung fan po talaga kayo, dapat alam nyo ang totoo. Sino
Tino ang kayang...
kantahin ang totoo?
Dapat sakto yung ano, yung lyrics ha.
Sakto yung lyrics.
See, okay, I see this girl turning red over here. You better come over here, girl.
Pipili kami ng dalawang tao, and maglalaban sila kung sino ang makakakuha ng perfect na kanta nung ang toto gets these jerseys, which is a couple jersey. So kung meron siyang Come Forever, doon niya ibibigay. Okay? So Enrique, si Ken na lang ang pipili since kanta niya yon. Go.
Okay.
Yung girl na pinili mo kanina.
Yung nagtatago dyan, yung nakaluhod dyan. Ikaw. Yes.
Yes.
Ikaw. Ay, one more. Alright.
Siya.
Sino? Sino ba? Ay, ano mo? Memorize mo? Seryoso? Araw-araw, halika dito, Chong! Kanina kami. Alright, bud. What's up, man? Di ka nag-gym, ha? Next gym ka ba? Alright. Here we go. Oh, okay. Hi! Hi again! Yeah! Alright. So,
Okay,
I'm
what's
gonna...
your name po?
Liza.
What? What?
We're team
Ikaw.
Liza.
Enrique. Ting-ting.
Ting-ting! Seryoso? Ting-ting talaga? Talaga, okay. Well, sige.
Sige.
So, you grew up here?
No, Bisaya ni Brad!
Asawan! Bawal na ayos! Ikaw kag chicha worm?
Ikaw, taga saan
Chicha
ka
worm,
kayo?
na-try mo?
Siya, wait lang, pansinin mo naman.
Hindi pa,
naman
chichawan,
siya.
pero palaka! Buhon ka rin, buhon!
Wala akong taga-buwan na iba dito. Meron din? Meron din sa? Meron! Ayos! Okay. Ayos, Brad.
Naman.
Yeah, you grew up here? Liza?
Pampanga.
Oh, alright. Kapampan. Alright.
Masarap
Kapampan.
magluto ng mga kapangpang.
I know, alright. So, okay, let's go to the talk song. So, ladies first! Ayun ba?
Wow, baka
Gentleman.
meron kang ano, ilan taon ka na?
Ilan taon ka na? Pag si Liza nagtunog, natutula ka. Nabubulol ka rin.
Wallpaper ka ng, cellphone ng kapatid ko kasi kas na kas ka niya.
Eh, ba't ikaw ang kinakabahan?
Hoy, aminin mo na rin, Jelma.
May istorya ko. Galing kami Concord, ha? Nagpagupit siya para sa'yo. Dalawa! Tapos, sabi ko, Manong, dalihan mo, ha? Ayun, bukon, ano. Pero sa kanya, perfect.
Hi, ano ka ang Ting-Ting.
Ting-Ting.
Hi, Ting-Ting. Love you. Okay,
Alright, let's
so,
go.
let's proceed with the game.
Alright, so, wait lang.